got a license plate light. Neither one of these license plate lights are working. So I'm going to replace a bulb. And what you got to do is you got to get up underneath these things, underneath it. And it just pops out. Just take a look underneath. All right, here it is right here. And think you just turn it and it just pops out. I don't even know if you have to even turn it. And there's your light bulb right there. All right. And the light bulb just slides out, I believe, or just pops. I don't know, let me get it out of here. I believe it should turn and pull out, but it ain't. There we go. No, it just pulls out. All right. Everything just pulls out, I believe. All right, there's the bulb. And it just pops in, pops out, I believe. All right, and just so you know, it does go in, this one. Got little knobs on both sides. Goes in and then turns. I don't know which way it turns, but it turns to come out. All right. All right, now let's take a look. And we have got a light on this side. And right there. Where's it at? There it is. And we got a light on this side. They ain't very bright, but those lights are working now, so that's how you replace light bulbs in a 98 Isuzu Hombre. Isuzu Hombre. Alright. I guess that's it for now.